Thank you for clicking in this video to all of my viewers, and I'm making this video to give some motivation for you, and I'm too much happy today, and the reason behind this one is I'll talk about this later. First of all, I want to welcome to all my subscribers or to my all the viewers who are watching this video first time to be connected with me, to subscribe and give me a like for my motivation to make more this kind of videos on this YouTube channel. And please share this video to among the people who are dreaming to get success in their YouTube career. And without any late, let's begin. Guys, today I'm so happy. I'm too much happy. The reason behind this is I got first payment from my YouTube channel. It was my dream from my when I start my YouTube career, and from that moment I was dreaming when I'll get the first payment from my YouTube channel, and the dream is complete today. I got my first payment from my YouTube, and I want to show you all of my subscribers. I get this kind of lot of money from my YouTube channel. This is my first payment. Now you can also see this one. This is my first payment from my YouTube channel, and I'm making this video only the purpose of the motivation. I want to give some motivation who are new in YouTube and they are dreaming to get success in YouTube. So that's why I am making this video. So I want to tell something about me in this video, how I got my first payment from YouTube and how I get start my YouTube channel, or how I start my YouTube career. Okay, so guys, I start my this YouTube channel in March 21 2018, and I start to upload more and more videos on this YouTube channel. But before also I have created lots YouTube channel and try to do lots things. Sometimes I try to do the comedy related YouTube channel. Sometimes I try to create the documentary related channel, or sometimes I try to create different kind of niche based YouTube channel, but I didn't get success because I was not focusing on only one YouTube channel. So that's why after creating this kind of lots YouTube channel, I plan and I start to focus only on this YouTube channel, and I start to upload more and more YouTube videos on this YouTube channel. I get lots comments, and I get lots likes. Okay, but still I didn't have the sufficient subscriber and sufficient views on my YouTube channel. You can check my YouTube channel, but still I'm happy, and I'm not frustrated because YouTube is like the addiction for me right now, and without YouTube I cannot survive. So guys, after creating my this YouTube channel, I start to upload more and more videos. I start to learn, and I start to improve everything in my YouTube channel. So guys, after creating this YouTube channel, I start to focus. I understand that I need to focus only on YouTube channel. So guys, day by day I start to improve in my YouTube descriptions, in the YouTube thumbnails, and everything else. But still now I didn't have the sufficient YouTube subscribers and the views. You can check my YouTube channel, but I'm not frustrated till now, and I have a aim to upload more than 1000 videos on this YouTube channel. I don't know guys how long time it will take, but still I am not frustrated with my YouTube career, and still I am not quitting my YouTube career. It is my first payment from the YouTube, but it's give me some little bit motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel. Guys, I have a aim to upload more than 1000 videos on this YouTube channel. It's my commitment, and after uploading 1000 videos, I will think about it. I will continue my YouTube career or I will quit this one. But still, I'm not uh, frustrated about my YouTube career. uh, I have uploaded almost 196 videos on this YouTube channel till now, and I didn't have sufficient YouTube subscriber till now, and I don't have the sufficient views also in this YouTube channel. But I will upload more and more videos on this YouTube channel, and I will give more useful and informative YouTube videos on this YouTube channel, and it's my commitment to all my friends. Okay, so in the last, I want to tell all the subscribers and all the viewers who are watching this video, please, if you are also new in YouTube career, then don't quit. You will not get success in overnight. You have to if you have only passion on YouTube, then you will get success. It will take some time, 6 months, sometime it will take 1 year. And in the last, I want to give thank you for all of my subscribers and viewers who make my dreams possible. I get my first YouTube payment. Okay, and I will make more videos only for you guys. And thank you so much for watching this video. I'll come back with another useful tutorials and useful videos on this YouTube channel. And if you are new in my YouTube channel, do subscribe to connect it with me, and please give me a like for my motivation. It will give me some motivation to make more videos on this YouTube channel, and share this video to among the people who are searching this kind of videos. I'll come back with another new YouTube video. Until that, goodbye. See you again.